You guys, so I have been meaning to do this for a while and I've just been so busy trying to get some of these orders out, making new products for my shop. But I'm finally doing this. Disregard the mess. Like all of this right here is like resin and soil and just my working area is a mess right now. So I have these leaves that fell off from different types of succulents. This big one is from my mother's, and these other ones are from the succulent that I had to propagate by cutting the top half off. You'll see the video in a few weeks after this one, because I want to make sure that I get a full scope and I show you guys the progress. But so yeah, so I let them dry out for a few days, more than a week actually. And if you look at this, some of them already have roots or growing. I just left them on a little napkin. Yeah, a lot of them are. A lot of them do have roots, and which is good because you see these. Some of these didn't work out, so whatever. So now I'm finally going to put them on soil. I'm gonna wet the soil. Oh, you know what? Let me just put them here first. This big one actually has not grown any roots yet, so hopefully that will change. If you hear a whirring, is that how you say the word? Whirring. You hear a sound in the background. I don't know if you guys can see, but some of them have really tiny. Okay. You guys, sorry, my phone turned off. But as you can see, I already placed them on the soil. I'm going to give them a little bit of water, and hopefully these will start growing more roots, and hopefully after that some babies after maybe in a few weeks. I feel like in maybe 2-3 weeks we might see a few of these growing, some actual succulents. That's what happened with the other two I had. And those are growing. It's taking a while for them to grow after I transplanted them into soil, but they are actually growing. So that's good. So we'll see what happens, maybe 2 weeks or so, and yeah. Hey guys, so it has been a few weeks, I think. And as you can see, some of these, let me put this up to the sun because, okay, here we go. Some of them have started to grow roots, others have shriveled. I've added new ones that have fallen off from my other succulents, from my mother's succulent, and I've just added it to this pile. Some have shriveled, some have been able to grow roots, as you can see, but nothing yet. I haven't seen any, except, wait, let me see. Except this one has like a little baby coming out, but I'm not sure if that's gonna survive. I don't know, you guys. But yeah, we'll check back in a few days, few weeks, and hopefully one of these that has the roots is, you know, it's gonna show us something, you know. So yeah. Okay, you guys, and finally I'm gonna move these over to a pot. Now I have been so irresponsible because I've been really busy trying to work on my business and stuff, that a few of these did grow, and then they died. So look at this one here. Is this one? Oh no, actually this one never actually grew. It just grew roots. This one did, and yet you see it like dried up. I don't think it's gonna survive. This one is okay. The leaf, the the leaf is dried up, but it's, you know, it's thriving. Where's the other one? Oh, this one. Oh, this one dried up too. Both the leaf and the succulent dried up. So the rest, the ones that are still savable, like this one, look at this beauty. Let me see if you guys can see. Look at this. That one, This one. The ones that have, I'm gonna move over here. And this one, you guys, I don't know what, like, I don't get this one. This one, look at the leaf. It looks good. It keeps growing roots, but it does not grow a damn succulent. I don't know why. This one never grew anything, so. But I don't get it with this one. Hopefully this one grows like a really strong succulent, because it just keeps going and going. So yeah, I'm gonna move them over here, and then leave the rest there so that they can grow. So I'm gonna just cover that. I'm going to see. Oh no, I think did it fall? I have done this before. I think I should have a video up, or if not, I should have it up by now. But there's a video where I did grow some succulents from leaves, and it is taking them quite a while to like actually get any bigger, but it worked. So I know that this can work. Like a year or two ago, I used to do this a lot, or would try to, and it never worked. So I'm happy that at least the ones that I do have, it actually worked. Let me see which one else. This one is growing, a small one. You can't really see it that much, but I'm gonna leave it here for now. Let's see. And the reason why I'm putting all of these here is because then it will give the ones over here more space. But yeah, so that's it, you guys. I'm gonna leave that one out like that because it's big. And yeah, so that's it. Let me see if I can show you guys the one that I did. Hold on, let's see, where is it? Oh yeah, okay. Look at this, you guys. These two I grew from leaves. Let me see which one. I don't think I have it near me right now, but yeah, these came from other succulents, from leaves from other succulents. I'll link the video so that you guys can see what I did, and yeah, so let me know if you guys have done this before, any tips that you may have, what works for you and what doesn't work for you. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.
Your love is rated X. That means you're extraordinary.
try this again, guys. I've been trying to, oh my gosh, I've been trying to film this for so long now that it's like I don't understand. It kept coming out blurry. And I wasn't gonna talk in this video, but oh, I'm so frustrated. So as you guys saw, I separated the leaves that were, let me see, these that have not sprouted any babies yet. So I'm gonna leave them there. Hopefully they will, something will happen there, hopefully. Because two of these big ones, they keep growing roots and nothing happens. And look at this big one right here. This one is really big root. So hopefully these will grow babies. I'm on the breath, you guys. I just got back from opening the mailbox and I decided to try this again. So and then these have babies and I just put them together here, and hopefully these will grow bigger. And then, you know, if they ever do grow big enough that I can, you know, move them somewhere else by themselves. And then this one, oh dude, I'm so happy. This is the first time that I've been able to propagate a leaf, succulent leaf, and they come out like this. They look perfect. They look like little buds, little rose buds, and I can't get over how cute they are. Look at them, you guys. Look at them. They're so cute. So yeah, so this was so all in all, this was, I think, my 4th or 5th time, I don't remember, trying to propagate from leaves, and it finally worked. And these I did at the same time that I did the other video with the leaf. I was doing the stretched succulent. So I did all these. So I'll count both of those as my 4th or 5th because I did them at the same time. But before this, I tried before, and the leaves never even, I think once they got roots and they just ended up dying, but all the other times they didn't even grow roots, which is weird because they were very healthy leaves. So yeah, so this is just, you know what, this is proof that if you don't get it the first, second, or third, just keep trying. If you ever, like, you know, have a plant and it's losing leaves, a succulent or something, just try to propagate it. You know, Google first to see if you're able to propagate, because some plants you're not able to do that with just a leaf. But yeah, so I will talk to you guys in the next video, and just make sure to like this video, subscribe, and I will be uploading more videos. I think now that it's summer and I'm getting into the groove of juggling a lot of things at the same time, now that I'm working from home 9 to 5, I think I might have more time to shoot more videos. Just stay tuned for my next videos. I do have a few coming up. So yeah, I will talk to you guys later. Bye.